Hey Humber, I'm Bridget and this is your Humber update. Humber has received $250,000 from RBC to launch 2 new Indigenous education and engagement initiatives over the next 2 years. The RBC Grad Ready program and RBC peer-to-peer support system will provide coaching, peer mentoring, and skills development opportunities for Humber Indigenous students and graduates as they pursue their careers. RBC's gift is in support of Unlimited, Humber's first ever fundraising campaign. Humber and Sault College are teaming up to meet the needs of students, employers, and industry. Humber's Bachelor of Engineering Mechatronics degree will be offered at both colleges and include innovative digital delivery to include hands-on learning experiences. Ross Romano, Minister of Colleges and Universities, announced Ontario's approval for the project in Sault Ste. Marie recently. Film and television production student Jacob Rogers is being recognized for his film Native Enough. The project, which explores Indigenous stereotypes and identities, had its debut at Nuit Blanche earlier this month. The short film is part of Humber's Indigenous Transmedia Fellowship, which brings together 5 Indigenous students from various disciplines across the college to create a transmedia work. Humber hosted the 2020 RibFest drive-thru at Lakeshore campus. Award-winning ribbers in attendance included Billy Bones Barbecue, Oklahoma Pistol Pete's, and Alabama's finest Camp 31. Customers were able to taste the mouth-watering ribs from the comfort of their own vehicles. The event was presented by Rotary Etobicoke. For more news and events, visit humber.ca/today. For Humber Today, I'm Bridget Yard.